After a lull of many months due to COVID-19 pandemic, Rosary Biotech IPO is the first to test the waters and hit the capital markets. Rosary Biotech Limited is a specialty chemicals manufacturer focusing on textile, home, personal care and performance chemicals. Will Rosary Biotech IPO mark the return of good times for IPO market? Let us see. The IPO opens on 13th July and closes on 15th July. Face value of the shares is rupees 2. It's a fresh issue of shares aggregating to rupees 50 crores and an offer of sale of 1 crore 5 lakh shares by the promoters. Total issue size is rupees 496 crores. The price band is rupees 423 to 425. Retail investors can bid 35 equity shares and in multiples thereof. 35% of the issue is reserved for retail. This means that for 1x retail subscription, that is one time retail subscription, you need about 1,16,000 shares. We have seen in the past that good issues have been able to command 15 to 20 lakh applications. So if there is a good response to this IPO, it should subscribe about 10 to 15 times. Rosary is one of the leading specialty chemicals manufacturer. It has a diversified product portfolio comprising home, personal care and performance chemicals, which has been growing well, textile specialty chemicals and animal health and nutrition products. These are manufactured at its Silvassa plant and a new plant is coming up at Dahej. The company operates in India as well as in 17 foreign countries including Vietnam, Bangladesh and Mauritius. Ahead of the IPO as part of its anchor issue, Rosary Biotech raised about rupees 149 crores from 15 anchor investors. The response can be considered fairly good. Anchor investors include many mutual funds and other renowned investors. A look at the financials of the company. The revenue of the company has been growing well. EBITDA margins are reasonably good. Net profit is also good. And PE is 33.84, which means the share offered are not cheap. The values look stretched. A comparison with the listed peer shows that Rosary is a rather small company compared to other peers. It has a turnover of 600 crores, whereas Aarti Industries has a turnover of 4,000 crores. Its financial ratios are, however, comparable with the peers. It has shown good compounded annual growth rate in sales in the last 3 years. In fact, Rosary has clicked the highest sales growth in the last 3 years among its peers. This is also true for the CAGR in profit. Some salient points about the company. The current environment is quite conducive for specialty chemical companies. Rosary Biotech manufactures majority of the products in-house and is not dependent on foreign suppliers. The installed capacity at its existing plant of Silvassa is being raised and the company is also setting up a new plant at Dahej. Originally, Rosary had a high dependence on textile specialty chemicals which comprised 3/4 of its sales. This has been reduced over time and now health personal care chemicals constitute 47% of its total revenue in the last financial years. Rosary had planned an IPO in March 20 which had to be postponed due to COVID-19 situation, but it did raise 100 crores from equity at a fixed price of rupees 425 per share in February, which was lapped up by institutional investors. The return ratios of the company are comparable to peers with good growth in sales. On the post-issue equity, PE works to be 33.81, which is slightly stretched. So the company's shares are not being offered cheap, but still considering the current craze for chemical stocks, there may be some scope for upside on listing as well as some gain in the medium run. Thank you.